Hello there, thanks for tuning in. Wasim here at Your Next Car, presenting you a short walk around to this gorgeous 330 M Sport G20 saloon we have in 71 reg, so late 2021 registered, covered 59,000 miles. One owner from brand new with a full service history. Due service in 7,000 miles, which we'll carry out in-house complimentary, so it'll be all ready to go and enjoy. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. So we'll take a look at the exterior, the interior, some of the styling upgrades which we've carried out. Let's take a look. Generously spec'd from the factory. LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and reversing camera. Gloss black kidney grille, 3-piece front splitter, 20-inch M Performance style wheels, brand new with brand new tyres. Mirror crop upgrade, sidebars with the M Performance decal. Privacy glass to the rear. Gloss black rear spoiler, and the very sought after YNC quad diffuser upgrade. All functioning rear tips, professionally installed in-house with a matte carbon finish. The LED light works as a brake light should. And just going as close as possible to show you how well it's been fitted here. Our technicians have got 25 years experience, and it's all been done professionally. Being the 330E, it's the 2-litre 8-speed automatic with a small battery, small hybrid motor, hybrid battery. Combined brake horsepower is around about the 280 mark. It's a plug-in hybrid, so you can plug it in to get the most out of it. BMW figures at around 30 miles on a full charge. It will switch seamlessly, or you can just click electric only if you're doing a short journey. Complementing the blue is a lovely coffee interior. Really nice, you don't see it very often. Electric folding mirrors. The interior is in very tidy order. Being the 2021, it's a new generation with the live cockpit, touchscreen navigation, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth DAB radio, which you can hear in the background. I'll show you the service history. As I previously mentioned, it will come service. It'll have another service on the iDrive. It's currently due in 7,000 miles. So we would like to get that done for you. There's the previous services. It's done at 44. LED interior lights, of course, colour changing. It's in very good condition. You can apply for finance on our website. You can click the WhatsApp button to chat, send us an email or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Thank you.